Alright traders, today is 9 of March 2020. We are now live day trading US Session E-Mini S&P futures market. So at this moment we have received one buy signal to go buy long at 2814.25 and target TP is at 2822. And at this moment the price still not yet hit, the not yet fill, and we are waiting for the market price to be ready any moment soon. So in case the price keep continuing on the bullish reversal pattern, then we might hit the entry and we'll go for the uh, upper side movement. So let's wait and see. So price now is trading at 2809 or 2808. So we are about 6 or 7 points ahead. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the entry will be a good one and will be the first one towards this 20. I will exit my position at 2821.75. So should be around 7 points, or 7 plus times 4 is 28 ticks. So it's not much, but it was a good one. So due to the current market condition, so hopefully this will be a good hit and run for our profit target. So daily, every day I do this kind of entry, one trade per day during US session, and we will done in within a few minutes, and that's all. Then repeat it again on tomorrow. So there's below a link in the description below. You may find and join my live Telegram channel, and there's a free trial, so feel free to click on it. So let's wait for a while. I will resume back again until the order got filled, so stay tuned. Okay, the order still not yet filled. Now the price make a slight pullback to the downside, and hopefully we'll gain some momentum to push the price on the higher side in the fast and quick entry and exit. So this is I call a special trick in the E-Mini S&P futures. We do this with a higher winning rate, although the risk and reward ratio is not really good, but we have the very high winning rate. So just you can click the link below in the description and you'll be directed to my private channel. So there's a free trial, so you can see how the trading been done live during US session. So still waiting. We'll pause this video and resume later on once the order got filled. Alright traders, we resume back again. So at this moment you can see that the market make a big downward movement over here, so to the downside. So you can see that it was a very strong bearish movement during the beginning of a US session. So now the market did make a reversal and nearing to the VWAP line, which is this yellow line. So my position I already queue earlier at the beginning of US session at 2814.25, a quarter from 2814, and we are expected to go for a long position at that price level and waiting for it to hit the this yellow line, which is my TP targeted, which is at 2825.50, about that price level. So market seems quite good at this moment, so let's wait and see. I'm waiting for our order to be filled, so any moment soon, which is not far, around 8 points, and let's wait and see. So once it will trigger, then we can resume to focus on the take profit price level. So but by the way guys, this trade is daily trade, day trade during US session. So I will only send out one signal during US sessions, and every day must have one, mostly, and very rare to none. But we have a very high winning rate for this kind of strategy. This been developed by myself since trading live past 2 years, and it was a good quite stable signal to enter the market, although the risk reward ratio is not really that good, but we have a very high winning rate, which is still can sustain our account at the end of the month with a lot of plus, a lot of profit. Okay, so while waiting, I will pause this video and resume later on once there's order been filled at the TP targeted area from our Telegram channel. Sorry, this is crude oil from this live Telegram channel. So we're still waiting. I just advise to other traders, we are still waiting for our order to be filled. Okay, we'll pause for a while and resume back later. Okay, we are not far from the entry point. So there's the marking there at 28.15. Sorry, 28.14.25. Let's hope things will go smoothly. Let's wait and see. Yes, a bit of a sideways movement at this moment, after the market already make a quite a big reversal just now. So let's watch again the movement of the price. Okay, so we can see it's getting bigger. There's a bit sideways over here, and then a bit breakout during the beginning of US session, and market turned down here, and I'm expecting for it to break through the first high of the US session and penetrate to the upper side, and waiting to get near to the previous support level, which is quite important. I think this one is support level, not a resistance. Yes, correct, this is a support level. Is it support? Not sure, man. Yes, correct, this is a support 2 level, and hopefully the market will keep intact to meet or to reach this price level. So by the way, now our position still not yet been filled. I'm still waiting. Okay, if not filled, then let it be, because today market is actually more volatile, and we it's not just volatile, we are not sure what actually the market is going to do. Try to play safe with this start limit order at 28.14.25. So it has been a lot of minutes while waiting our order to be filled. Okay, normally it will hit pretty much easier, but for today a bit tough. So let's wait patiently. If we have the opportunity to go into the market, so we'll take it. If not, then we cancel and move on to the next day. So I will pause this video and resume later on once the order got filled. Okay guys, I missed to record it live, but it was a good trade. We have made a profit, hit the TP area. So we did enter at 28.14.25 and exit at 28.22. So you can see this yellow triangle over here, which is indicate this is where I exit my positions. So there's a blue cyan triangle, you can saw it, very small one. So this is where I did enter my position just now. Okay, it was a good and a quick trade, and for 387.50 US dollar as a day trade, day salary, and it was a good trade. And also this took around I think 2 minutes in time. So you can see enter at 11:35 my local time, 11:37 my local time, exit. So in New York time it's 10:35 and 10:37 AM in the morning. So it was a good 2 minutes trade of 385 US dollar in profit. Okay, so it was very unlucky I didn't manage to capture this entry live, but I did mention earlier where we want to exit the market and where we want to entry the price, our entry. So based from my live Telegram channel as well, I did mention that we already exit the position, so it was a good trade. And I think that's all for today. One day we only took one trade during US session, and that's it. It was a good one, trendy movement, and 4 points, it's quite a lot, which is around 32 ticks. And yep, under this current situation, it was a good, we are craving some money from the huge market. So 387.5 from E-Mini, and also 240 from crude oil. So both we want trade only. Okay guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow. There's a link below in the description, feel free to click on it. There's a free trial, it's up to you if you like my trading style, so you can follow. I think that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.